In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eSign on Google Docs. We'll cover two clear approaches so you can choose the one that fits your account. First is Google's built-in eSignature, which is the official method and available on certain Google Workspace plans. If you don't see that option, don't worry. There's a simple workaround that works for everyone. Let's start with the built-in eSignature. Open your document in Google Docs. From the top menu, go to Tools, then choose eSignature. A sidebar will appear on the right. In that panel, add the signature fields where you want people to sign and include the signer names so each field is assigned correctly. When you're ready, click Request Signature. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of everyone who needs to sign. Double-check those addresses for accuracy, then send the request. Here's what happens for signers. They receive an email from Google with a secure link to the document. They click the link, follow the prompts, and enter their name. Google then creates a digital signature based on that name, so they don't have to draw anything. When they're finished, they click Mark Complete. Keep in mind, the built-in e-signature is only available on certain plans. You can add up to 10 signers in one document, and when everything's done, the final signed file becomes a PDF with an audit trail for record keeping. If you don't see the e-signature option under Tools, use the workaround. The first option is to draw your signature directly in Docs. Go to Insert, then Drawing, then New. In the Drawing window, open the line drop-down and choose Scribble. Use your mouse or trackpad to write your signature. When you're happy with it, click Save and Close, and your signature is placed into the document. This is quick and built right into Google Docs. The second option is to insert an image of your signature. Sign your name on a blank sheet of paper with a dark pen so it's easy to read, then take a clear photo. Back in Google Docs, go to Insert, choose Image, then Upload from Computer and select the photo. This keeps your handwritten style and works the same way across all accounts. That's it. Use the official e-signature if it's available to you for a formal, trackable process, or rely on the drawing or image methods for a simple, universal approach.